Okay. If you haven't already, time to take your shoes off. Kapai. Let's Kapa Haka in bare feet. Are you ready? Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Tēnā koe mātua whaitiri. That's right. Mātua whaitiri is Mr. Thunder in English. Another way you can say good morning. Atamari e tamariki mā. Atamari e mātua whaitiri. Or here's a beautiful one. Mauri ora e whānau mā. Mauri ora mātua whaitiri. Kia ora. What a lovely way to start our session with a mihi. The second thing we do, we karakia. After me. Kia hora. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Te karohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei. Mauri ora. Ka pai. Let's do that karakia one more time. You know the deal. We go through the whole karakia, you and I together. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Kia ora. After our karakia, it's time to start warming up the voice with Aha ka mana para tauanga wham. First one, normal pace. Aha ka mana para tauanga wham. E heke mene pere te uenge whē. I heke mene pere te uenge whē. O hoko mono poro tōngo whō. A e I o u. Uhuku munu puru tuungu fu. Rawe tamariki mā. And I'm going to do something a little bit different this morning. This morning I'm going to play that song again, but you're going to do it on your own. Akamana toru wha. How did you get on? Were you able to do the whole song? Fantastic. Well done. Ka pai. Paki, 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 toru wha. Paki, 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 tamariki mā. Paki, 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 tamariki mā. E oma, tamariki mā. E oma, tamariki mā. Kanikani, 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 tamariki mā. Kanikani, kanikani, tamariki mā. Epeke, 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 tamariki mā. Epeke, 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 tamariki mā. Emoe, 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 tamariki mā. Emoe, 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 tamariki mā. Ka pai. Kia ora. We warmed up? Fantastic. Mahunga taru wha. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa whatu ihua hae. Don't forget whānau, when we get to the face, no touching, just pointing. Ka pai. So I want to do something a little bit different with this one as well today. Instead of taking words out, let's see if we can't just go through that with your silliest voice possible. Have you got a silly voice? Okay, let me hear it. Toru wha. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa whatu ihua hae. Kia ora. Ka pai whānau. I hope you had your silly voice on. Kia ora. Tahi. Rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, tekau, toru, wha. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, tekau, iwa, tekau. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, tekau. Iwa te kau, tahiru a taru wharima ona whitu waru. Iwa te kau, iwa te kau. Tahiru a taru wharima ona whitu waru. Iwa te kau, iwa te kau. Yes! I like it a lot. Ki raro, hope, tūtira mai ngā toru wha. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou tātou e tūtira, tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e tūtira, tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou tātou e, tātou tātou, puritia ki a mau, he au e hi. Kia ora, ka pai te mahi. Beautiful song. And I saw a video clip last night from a community in Lower Hutt. At 7 o'clock every day, they go out to the end of their driveways and they all clap for the essential workers. But this particular community, they stand at the end of their driveway and they sing Tūtira mai ngā iwi to celebrate all of our essential workers that are continuing to work through this lockdown. So, kia ora whānau. Like I said, beautiful song. After me, Pure nei e te hau. Horoia e te ua. Fiti fitia e te la. Mahea ke ngā poraruraru. Good. Ngā kere ana ngā here. Ngā kere ana ngā here. Ka pai. Purene. From the top. All together now. Toru fa. Purene. E te hau. Horoia. Horoia. E te ua. Fiti fiti. Fiti fiti. E te rā. Mahea. Mahea ke ngā. Poraruraru. Poraruraru. Makere ana. Makere ana. Ngā here. Makere ana. Ngā here. Hey! How did you get on with that one? Good. It's good. Here we go. Purere hua toru fa. Purere hua rereru ngā hau. Papaki parira rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papaki parira rereru ngā hau. Ka tau runga pua oai. Ka whānau hua, a purere hua. Ka tahi, ka rua, ka toru, ka whā. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe ano. Purere hua, rere runga hau. Papaki parirau, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papaki parirau, rere runga hau. Kiraro. Raue. See, I put the second verse in there today. I dropped that in there because tomorrow we're going to have a look at that second verse. Can't wait. Karangamai. Karangamai. Piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai. Tuki tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu kori kori. He manu fia fia. Piwai waka e. Together. Karangamai. Karangamai. Piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai. Tuki tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu. He manu kori kori. He manu fia fia. Piwai waka e. I love that song. It's like one of my faves. Absolutely. It's a waiata kanikani, so it's meant to be fun. You're meant to enjoy yourself with it. Kapai, don't be too serious. One more time. Big cheesy smile. Toru fa. Karangamai, karangamai. Piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai. Tuki tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu. He manu kori kori. He manu fia fia. Piwai waka e. Was it good? Yes. Glad you enjoyed it. Here we go. Tihe Mauri ora. Tihe Mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia oraram. Here we go. Tihe Mauri ora. It's a welcoming song. So when you sing it, Get your welcoming face on. Kapai. Here we go. Tore wha. Tihe Mauri ora. Tihe Mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia orara. We're going to do Tihe Mauri ora one more time. So this time when it comes to the actions, you're on your own. Ooh. So I will play the guitar and you will sing with me and try as many of those actions as you can remember. Bit low. Oh, that's really high, but I'll give it a go anyway, eh? Torupa, Tihe Mauri ora. No, I already know it's too high. It's way too high for me. Here we go. We'll do it. Tihe. There we go. It could have been disastrous. Here we go. Torupa, Tihe Mauri ora. Tihe Mauri ora. Naiwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Naiwi kia orara. Tihe Mauri ora. Tihe Mauri ora. Naiwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, naiwi kia ora, tahiru wa taruka, hiawahi. How did you get on with those actions?
Yeah, it was good.
It was. Oh, Kapai, good on to you. Feeling good this morning. Got up this morning, did some exercise. Samara took the kids for a walk while I set up the lounge for our Kapa Haka for kids. It's been a good day. Erere taku poi. Have you got your sock ready? Or your actual poi?
You gonna do poi?
Kapa, you gonna do poi with Papa? How do I get the poi? No? Not today. Here we go. Erere taku poi toru wha. Erere taku poi, erere taku poi kirunga, kirunga. Erere taku poi, erere taku poi kiraro, kiraro. Erere runga, erere raro, erere roto, erere waho. Erere taku poi kirunga, kiraro, kiroto, kiwahoe. Kia ora. I love working with the poi. Let's have a look at the words now for our second poi song. A chance for us just to go over these really, really easy kupu so that we can start to poi and sing at the same time. Are you ready? After me. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Re re atu, re re atu. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Re re atu, re re atu. Poi poi e. Good. Part 2. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Re re atu, re re atu. Ti patu mai. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Re tu re tu. Ti patu mai. Kapa. Let's do those first two sections twice each. Together. Toru fa. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Re tu poi poi e. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Tu poi poi e. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Tu ti patu mai. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Tu ti patu mai. This is probably going to be the hardest line of Kapa Haka lyric that you will ever have to learn. So focus in. Tricky as. Repeat after me. Owe, owe. Hey, hey, ha. 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 Oh, you got it. Turns out it wasn't that hard at all. So here we go. Through the whole song. If you want to poi on this one because you already know the words, lucky for you. But if you haven't quite got these kupu down, let's sing it together and then we'll poi together. Ka pai? Toru fa. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Tu poi poi e. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Tu poi poi e. Ti patu patua, ti patu mai. Tu ti patu mai. Ti patu patua, ti patu mai. Tu ti patu mai. Owe, 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 hey, hey, ha. Owe, owe, hey, hey, ha. Get your hillbilly slap on. Owe, owe, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. How'd you get on? Yeah, you good? Are you ready to poi? Alright. Here we go then. Get your poi ready. If you have to, or if you can. Make sure you're holding your poi by the tinana and not on the fiore. The fiore is a decoration. Let's hold just above. Here we go. Kiraro. Hoppe. Poi karite. Poi poi e. Toru. Catch. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Spin. Tu poi poi e. Catch. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Tu poi poi. Shoulders. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Tu ti patu mai. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Tu ti patu. Shoulder hip hip. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Ka poi. Now, when it comes to poi, we've got so many moves under our belt. We've got swinging, yeah, in all different shapes and directions. We've got catching. We've got shoulder work. We've got shoulder hip stuff, yeah. We've got hand work. All of those combined make up our repertoire of poi moves. So I'm going to sing you one more song today. It's called Mehe Manurere. And while I'm singing it, I want you to freestyle poi, okay? That means you get to do any poi moves you like. You can try our moves, you can do your own moves. It doesn't matter. But while I'm singing, your poi needs to be moving. Are you ready? Here we go. I love Me He Manurere. Beautiful song. Toru fa. Me he manurere. Aue. Kuarere kito moe na. Kite afitoti na na ue ue e. Te toto uri mai. Aue aue e. Te toto uri ta hiru ataru fa. Hi aue hi. Kia ora. Thank you so much for embracing the poi. Beautiful. Just a quick reminder about your poi. Even though you made it yourself, the rules of poi still apply. They're not for hitting. They're not for throwing. Look after them. Kapai. And most of all, enjoy it. Here we go. Haka time. And then straight after the haka, we've got a little kanikani to wrap us up. That means we've only got time to do the haka once. One haka, you say? Absolutely. So are you going to do a repeat haka or go with me at the same time? Hands up and I'll take a vote. Same time it is. Okay, here we go. Get up. Get the haka. Come on. I'll go really slow though, eh? Heto, heto. Tarana tita ha. Tita ha. Tita ha. Heto, heto. Kamaya, kamaya. Heto, heto. Kamaya, kamaya. Hekakano ruiamai iraniate papakitita ha tita ha tita ha uhia teka ha uhia Hia, teka ha, ketu, rangatira, moa, popo, awe, hi. Kirara. The waiata was strong on that one. Fantastic haka. I didn't even have to remind you about the 3 haka rules. You already knew. Well done. We got a couple of minutes left today, and I thought I would introduce some of you to a little kanikani we do. And some of you might already know it. So here we go. Stamp, stamp, clap. Beat, beat, clap. Special move, clap. Beat, beat, clap. Kapai. Now into reo. Takahia paki. Te piti piti paki. And our first move is few few. Few few paki. Te piti piti paki. Takahia paki. Te piti piti paki. Few few paki. Te piti piti paki. Kia ora. Now let's add that into one continuous movement. Takahia toru fa. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Few, few, paki, te piti, piti, paki. paki. One more. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Few, paki te piti piti paki. Alright, so here's how it works. Every time we repeat that movement, we change few for a different move. And ideally, we'd have 4 per day. So our first move, let's stick with few. Our second move, let's hit the gentleman's dab. Kapai. Our third move, we're going to hooty. And our fourth move, we're going to silent pose. Or posing however you like. Yeah? 3 repetitions, slow, medium, fast. 4 moves, few, gentleman's dab, hooty, and silent pose. Are you ready? You are? Oh, let's go then. Slow, tore, fa. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Few, paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Dab, paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Hooty, paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Paki te piti piti paki. We're able to keep up. It's good, eh? You wait till it gets super fast, you're gonna love it. So, here we go. Done the first one. That was slow. Let's speed it up to medium. Tore, fa. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te few. Paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te dab. Paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te hooty paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te paki te piti piti. Haha, God boy. Oh, catch my breath. Last one. Super fast. You gotta do your hardest to keep up. Yeah? Few, dab, hooty, pose. Here we go. Super fast. Toru, fa. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te few, paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te dab, paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te hooty paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki. Ki te paki te piti piti paki. How did you get on? It's good, right? I know. So, whānau mā. Thank you so much for popping out today. Tomorrow, we introduce second half of Pūrere Hua. We take a look at another new song, and there's some special homework for you to work on over the course of the weekend. So, tune in tomorrow for a little end of the week wrap-up session with a few new items in there. Don't forget, in about 5 minutes time, I'm going to be back on Facebook Live for a little bit of Q&A with anyone who wants to tune in, maybe ask me some questions, or even just to tune in and tell me, hey, hello Matua, I go to Whatarua Primary School, it's a really cool primary school, and I just wanted to shout out to you or shout out to your friends or whatever it might be. Give me 5 minutes to take a break, grab a drink, and then I'll meet you at the coffee table, ready to go for a little Facebook Live, some Q&A. Ka pai. Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Tēnā koutou e whānau mā. I haru mai ki roto I tāku whare mō tēnei wānanga Kapa Haka mō ngā tamariki katoa o te motu o te ao whānui. Kia pai tō koutou rā.